Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Writing Gadgets. Today I'm doing a video showing you how to do the update process on the Ricoel C5 and C7 units. The process is the exact same whichever unit you have. I did do a video previously showing you how to update the firmware with the splash screen, which you can order from Ricoel, but they have made a couple of small changes on how that works, so I'm doing a new video. The things you're going to require to be able to do the update are quite simple. A micro SD card, some kind of adapter to be able to plug into your computer, or a card reader depending on how your computer is set up, and the C5 or C7 unit itself, obviously. The first thing I'm going to do now is go to the software download page on the Ricoel website and find the latest update. Now, there was one released on the 22nd of July 2024, which was 4 days ago. So I'm going to download this now. And here it is. And that's downloading into my downloads folder. This is the file that then I need to put onto the micro SD card and then load it into the unit. Right, so I have the micro SD card into an adapter plugged into the back of my iMac here. So I'm now going to get the boot file out of my downloads folder, and here is the 16 gig card, and I'm going to just put it straight into there. It's 117.5 megabytes. So that's loaded onto the card. All I have to do now is eject the card. And then I'm going to start up the unit in a second and start the update. Okay, so I've got the unit ready for the micro SD card to go into. Now, last time I actually said to take the screw out, but you don't actually need to do it. You can't just hold this tab and just pull it back. And there's the slots up here. And it's marked as TF card. That's the one the micro SD goes into. These can be a little bit fiddly to get in. Okay, that's in. Now, what's next is I'm actually just going to power this up by connecting it by USB to my computer. Okay, so before you turn on, make sure you know where the power button is. It's here, right there on here. So what we have to do is plug it into the computer or power source, and then hold down the button for 3 seconds. We're going to switch the self off. And it's powering itself back on. Now it says, please do not turn off or unplug the USB flash drive during upgrading. So now it's running through the upgrade process by itself. So last time it didn't take very long either, so it'll be done in under a minute. Upgrade successful, data backup is in progress. I did this last time as well and I didn't understand the screen then either. Just give it a minute in case it is doing something, but I can't remember that it did anything last time either. I don't think it did. Right, so now that that's done, what I'm going to do is unplug it. Make sure you take the micro SD card out after the update is done. So you don't want to keep referring back to this. Okay, I'm going to start it up again in a second. Okay, so that's the unit restarted. That's the update completed. So that's it done. That's all you have to do.